The internet revolutionizes lives, offering convenience, work opportunities, and seamless connections with loved ones. Fixed wireless access solution simplifies deployment, minimizes infrastructure, and delivers broadband transmission comparable to fiber, in contrast to fixed-line networks. D-Link Fixed Wireless Access Solution provides seamless internet access in the last mile, offering widespread coverage in both rural and urban environments. Additionally, it demands minimal maintenance in operation. D-Link meets all fixed wireless access needs through our innovative solution, delivering a genuine broadband experience with mobile technology. Experience uninterrupted and reliable wireless connectivity for apartment applications with 5 GNR indoor CPEs and Wi-Fi mesh routers. Expand wireless coverage and enhance network performance for home applications using 5G outdoor units, Wi-Fi indoor units, and Wi-Fi mesh routers. Establish a high-performance, secure wireless network for numerous users and devices using a 5G outdoor unit, gateway, switch, and access point. Attaining universal internet access in urban or rural areas is now simpler than ever, thanks to utilizing 5G or 4G signals without the need for extensive fixed-line infrastructure. D-Link Fixed Wireless Access Solution offers 3 key advantages. The solution embraces 5G technology, delivering ultra-fast speeds and low-latency connectivity while fully supporting devices both inside and outside the house. D-Link Fixed Wireless Access Solution comes with a Wi-Fi mesh router, granting you access to the internet and home smart devices anytime, anywhere. The solution addresses dual needs, allowing service providers to efficiently manage client devices remotely, while consumers can easily control their network using the D-Link Falcon app. Experience uninterrupted and dependable wireless connectivity throughout your home, enhancing life for convenience and ease. Building your wireless network with D-Link.
D-Link, one connection, infinite possibilities.